Welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a deep dive into this absolutely stunning luxury van, based on the iconic Ford Transit, but heavily modified into a VIP executive masterpiece. This is not just a van. This is a rolling luxury lounge designed for business elites, celebrities, and anyone who wants first-class comfort on the road. Let's start with the exterior presence. From the very first look, this modified Transit demands attention. The aggressive front bumper with sharp LED daytime running lights gives it a bold and futuristic face. The large blacked-out grille with the Ford badge in the center keeps its identity strong while adding a premium touch. The custom body kit, extended side skirts, and ultra-low stance completely transform the van into a showstopper. One of the most eye-catching features is the extreme lowered suspension setup. This van sits incredibly close to the ground, giving it that luxury VIP street-style look. The wide fender flares and deep-dish alloy wheels enhance its muscular appearance. The multi-spoke performance rims combined with low-profile tires add a sporty character rarely seen in vans. This is not your typical family or cargo van. This is a head-turner built for style and presence. Now let's talk about lighting. The sharp LED headlights with modern detailing provide excellent visibility at night while adding a premium signature look. The lower bumper integrated LED strips further enhance the aggressive styling. From every angle, this van looks customized with precision and attention to detail. Moving inside, the real magic begins. The interior of this luxury Transit is designed like a private jet cabin. As soon as you step in, you are welcomed by diamond-stitched premium leather seats finished in a rich maroon and black combination. The stitching pattern gives it a handcrafted feel, and the cushioning looks incredibly comfortable. The second-row captain seats are fully independent and designed for maximum relaxation. Wide armrests, deep padding, and ergonomic shaping ensure long journeys feel effortless. The layout includes a central executive table finished in glossy wood with carbon fiber accents. This table transforms the cabin into a mobile office or private meeting space. Above, the ceiling features a Starlight headliner inspired by ultra-luxury brands. The tiny LED lights embedded in the roof create a galaxy-like atmosphere, especially during night drives. This feature alone elevates the cabin experience to another level. On the side panel, you'll notice a built-in entertainment and refreshment unit. There is a display screen for media, navigation, or presentations, along with a beautifully integrated minibar section. Premium glass holders and bottle compartments make it perfect for executive travel. Ambient lighting runs along the floor and side panels, creating a warm and sophisticated vibe. Now let's move to the front cabin. The dashboard design is modern and tech-focused. A large central infotainment screen controls navigation, music, and vehicle settings. The digital instrument cluster provides all essential driving information in a clean layout. Carbon fiber trim elements across the dashboard enhance the sporty premium feel. The steering wheel is multifunctional and wrapped in high-quality leather, giving the driver complete control over media, calls, and cruise settings without removing hands from the wheel. The center console includes storage compartments, cup holders, and a wireless charging pad for added convenience. In terms of performance, the Ford Transit platform is known for reliability and strong engine options. Depending on the configuration, it usually comes with a powerful turbocharged engine that delivers impressive torque. This makes the van feel smooth even when fully loaded. The automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, and despite its size, the steering feels controlled and stable. The suspension in this modified version has been customized for that ultra-low stance. While it focuses heavily on visual appeal, premium builds like this often include adjustable air suspension systems. That means the ride height can be controlled depending on driving conditions. When parked at events or hotels, it can sit extremely low for maximum impact. On the road, it can raise slightly for better comfort and practicality. Driving comfort is enhanced with advanced sound insulation. Executive vans like this are designed to keep outside noise minimal, creating a peaceful cabin environment. Long highway journeys become smooth and relaxing experiences. Safety features typically include multiple airbags, stability control, traction control, parking sensors, and a rear-view camera. Many luxury conversions also integrate 360-degree camera systems and advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. Space is another major highlight. Unlike traditional SUVs, this van provides generous headroom and legroom for all passengers. Even tall passengers can stretch comfortably. The sliding side door makes entry and exit easy, especially in tight parking spaces. Now let's talk about practicality. Despite being a luxury build, it still maintains the versatility of the Transit platform. The rear space can be customized further with additional seating, luggage compartments, or entertainment modules depending on client requirements. In terms of fuel efficiency, large vans are not built primarily for economy, but modern turbo engines provide decent mileage considering the size and weight of the vehicle. Maintenance costs depend on the level of customization, but the base platform being Ford ensures availability of parts and service support globally. Who is this van for? This luxury modified Transit is perfect for VIP transport services, luxury tour companies, corporate executives, celebrities, or high-end family travel. It offers privacy, comfort, and unmatched road presence. When it comes to pricing, a standard Ford Transit is relatively affordable in the commercial segment. However, once fully customized with luxury interiors, body kits, premium wheels, advanced lighting, and entertainment systems, the price can increase significantly. Depending on the level of modification and region, such builds can reach premium luxury SUV territory or even higher. Overall, this van is a perfect combination of practicality and extreme luxury styling. It keeps the strong and reliable foundation of the Ford Transit while transforming it into something extraordinary. The bold exterior, VIP cabin, Starlight roof, executive seating, and aggressive stance make it a true show vehicle. If you are someone who wants comfort like a private jet, but on the road, this luxury Transit conversion delivers exactly that experience. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this detailed luxury van review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing automotive content. See you in the next video.